Okay, so here I've taken one super of honey bees away from their main hive. You can see all these bees, and so they don't have a queen, and so back into the yard I go for the next ones. So I'm trying to choose the strongest hives to choose from, and you can see these guys are busy. This is the hive that I just took some off of, and this is going to be the next hive right here. The unfortunate thing is I just had one of my horses got out, came down and greeted me, and I didn't really have my smoker going for too long. They can go out, so I am reigniting, making sure that that smoker is going to create smoke for me. So what I do now is I'll smoke the entrance a little bit, gently. You don't want to be rough with them, just so that they're aware that something's going on. Next thing I do, I'm going to take my tools, put them to the side, get these weights off of the hive, and now I'm going to start going into this hive. Covers off. You can see there's some bee activity in there, a little bit, not much, but we'll smoke in here a little bit, just so again the bees have their attention on fire rather than me. So I go in with the hive tool. I try not to let it go back down. They'll stick it down with propolis. That's the inner cover. Has some bees on it. And now I'm into this first frame that has, it looks like nothing really going on in it. So there are some bees. But there's no foundation that's set. So I don't want this super. And I'll go down to this next one, which inside you can see there's more activity down here. And hopefully that'll be enough bees for my new queen. So we'll stop there.